Okay.
Now we have Kongsberg and Dave, and he tell us something. Okay.
Sounds good. Yeah. So welcome to our booth. So this is a combined Kongsberg cutting systems and Digitech booth. What we're showing here is two really new things for you guys. We've brought the new LTX3 with Digitech. So this is their new high-speed printer, 3 rows of print heads. We're doing this double E-flute corrugate job in just over 1.5 minutes double-sided print. So we paired up this new, even faster flatbed printer. And it's got some really unique features on it, and most of that is actually on the back end. So that's kind of what we'll walk around and we'll start looking at.
Okay.
As we're printing here on that Digitech printer, kind of the key is how we integrated this printer. So on the back side, as it's done printing, we're showing that printer automatically offload this corrugate file that is double side printed. So we kind of did a watermark on the back side of the print, and then we have the actual print file on the front. And so as we feed that off, we're putting it onto this fully automated conveyor system where it's staging each sheet, right? So the key here is the operator that's operating the printer is also the operator operating the cutter. And so as it stages these sheets, then we get into this automation where we're picking up those sheets. And we can even see here, we got, so we got the print on the other side there too, right? So we're doing that face down print registration to get that good creasing quality on the right side, right, essentially. And so then we're taking these sheets, we're stacking them here in this accumulator because, as we know, sometimes printing isn't always the same speed as the cutting. And so we've solved that problem by having this accumulator that automatically can stack those sheets. So if there's that mismatch in the printing to cutting speed, we're handling that. We're keeping everything moving slowly and optimizing that. So after we come through this automation, we're presenting it up onto the Kongsberg cutting machine. And so here we're really debuting the new Kongsberg Ultimate. So this is the fastest cutting system in the world. This is the new Kongsberg Ultimate, 10-foot by 10-foot cutting area, moving at over 6,000 inches a minute at 2.6 G of acceleration. And so we're doing this job where we're doing creasing, we're doing some perf, we're doing some cutting of this nice little sample box that we're having people take out. And then once we're done cutting, we actually can see it happen here. We feed that finished sheet forward, and then the stacker is actually going to pick up that sheet and put it on the pallet, right? So the goal here is to go from unprinted material to a pallet of finished goods without ever touching that material.
Okay.
So essentially that's it.
Let's see.
And here at the end, we can see those finished samples here of what we've been kind of cutting out, right? Double-sided, and then it folds together, and it's a nice little NASCAR sample that we did for people to be able to take home.
Oh, beautiful.
This little car sample. So, yeah.
Wow, very interesting. Yes, and do you have something like sustainability?
Yeah, so one of the big kind of pushes when we developed the Ultimate was we wanted to really go after the green energy and sustainability. So the new machine has 100% recycled and recyclable materials. There are no plastics, there's no mixed materials that are non-recyclable. And so we're really trying to push that green energy with the development of all the new products at Kongsberg. In addition to that, we do a lot of power consumption. So we're automatically monitoring the power consumption of the vacuum pump and varying the flow as needed to maximize the suction without wasting any power. And then obviously the biggest thing for green energy for us is longevity of the equipment, right? With the printers, with the cutters, with the automation, you've got Kongsberg machines that are 30 years old still out there running. So we like to say that's our biggest effort in green is we keep the machines running, well past 20 to 30 years.
It's maybe if you have something like tell for buy to our readers, you can make conclusion.
Yeah. Well, wanted to thank you guys for seeing what we're showing here at SuperCorr. And you know, feel free to reach out. Have any questions? We're here to help.
Thank you, Dave.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.